Hi guys, you may know my 2.4 GHz Arduino MicroRC remote control system and the MRSC MicroRC stability control system. They allow stunts like this, or this. But what if you want to reuse the 5-pin servo and the original electronics of your WLtoys car? Well, here comes the solution, the standalone MRSC stability control system for 5-pin WLtoys servos. This was the first test setup, based on an Arduino Pro Micro. The servo feedback goes to analog input 0, is modified, goes to an RC filter back to the ESC. This is the original WLtoys receiver, the battery and the original motor of an A959. As you can see, the steering servo works as it did before the modification. But now we also have a gyro sensor. The gain of the gyro sensor can be adjusted using a potentiometer. Now you can see what happens if we change the gain. Now let's have a closer look at the modifications. Basically only the servo wiring was modified. The servo itself and the receiver/ESC are in stock condition. The wiring is now ready to connect to the Arduino. And here you can see the entire test setup with the original electronics from a WLtoys A959. This is how the final MRSC unit for the car works. It is based on an Arduino Pro Mini, an MPU 6050 board, and an RC filter. Here you can see the details of the final MRSC unit. The most important component is the RC filter. It's used to convert the PWM output signal into a DC voltage. All the details and the software can be found on my GitHub. The GitHub link is in the description. As you can see, the servo of this A979B moves as soon as a movement is detected. But the gain is a little bit too much. So let's reduce the gain and then re-upload the software. Now we are ready for a first high-speed test drive. Will it crash? If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!